Good day and welcome. I'll be answering WAEC 2020 Mathematics Past Question 31. The length of an arc of a circle of radius 3.5 cm is one whole number 19 all over 36 cm. Calculate correct to the nearest degree the angle subtended by the arc at the center of the circle. So let's assume we have an arc like this from the center of a circle. This is the arc. And we are asked to find what this angle at which it subtends at the center of the circle, and the length of the arc is given to be one whole number 19 over 36 cm, and the radius is 3.5 cm. Now it simply means that the length of the arc L is equals to one whole number 19 all over 36, and that is equals to 55 all over 36. Now R is given to us as 3.5 cm. Now let me express it in fraction. That's 7 all over 2 cm. Now the formula for finding the length of an arc is equals to L is equals to theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So therefore we can now say that the length of the arc L, which is 55 over 36, is equals to theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 times 22 all over 7, which is the pi, times the radius, which is 7 all over 2. 7 we cancel 7, then this 2 we cancel 2, so we have 55 all over 36 is equals to 22 theta all over 360 degree, 22 theta all over 360. So now from here we can simply say that 22 theta is equals to 55 times 360 all over 36. Now 36 here 1, 36 in 360 will give us 10. So it simply means that 22 theta is equals to 550. Theta is equals to 550 all over 22, and that is equals to 25 degree. So the answer to this question is option C, 25 degree. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Past question.